Got another beach edition here. Gonna be fishing the sea rig, the Lucky Craft. Got a couple other things too, but we're looking for surf perch, croaker, actually whatever we can get. So let's see what we can do here on the beach. Got the sea rig. There we go. Got the hook coming up the top. There we go. We are on a little, actually, I don't know what this is, guys. It's a different kind of perch. This guy, the guys, I don't know what. Little dude. Guys, check him out. Here, I'll take a picture. I know. All right, guys, so this is a different looking, some kind of perch. Huh? With the big eyes, though. But get him back in the water. Later. Woo. There he goes. Swimming sideways down the surf. Oh. All right, we are on. Probably another perch. Yes, sir. We are on a little dude. Oh, came off. I had one. Cast right over that way. If I can get over it. Yes. I think I got one on. Yeah, I got one on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. These little suckers, you can hardly feel the bite. Probably need a more sensitive rod. Oh. Here's a little dude. These guys are a trip with the bigger eyes. I'm guessing just a different species of perch. Little guy. Big eyes. Ooh, there he goes. Later. Alright, so 2 fish. Had 3 on, lost 1 right there, but we're just approaching the high tide right now, so just as you would expect, the bite is pretty good so far. Getting bit pretty much every cast. There's not all the beat on but those guys are the big eyes. I got to look it up, and I'm sure you guys know it's probably just a different species of perch, but they're cool. So all right. Alright, let's try the Lucky Craft. Yeah.
Let's go on.
Yeah. You'll feel them bite sometimes, but they don't always eat it. It's like they're just nipping at it.
Ooh, what is right?
You got one?
Oh, I saw a fish. Mine came off in the wave. I think it came off. I saw it in the wave though. Oh, I think I saw it.
Yeah, let's go, baby.
Little one. Super little one.
Here's your towel.
I saw it. Thank you, Daddy.
One of these guys.
Second fish of the day?
These guys are cool, huh?
Yeah.
With this cool, these cool looking little dudes. Isn't that good? Let me get you a picture.
Hey guys, look at my first fish of the day. Wait, I can see myself. Look at the little guy's mouth.
Let me see.
Uh-oh, I can't see myself.
Luke with the
Let me feel it. Let me feel it.
ooh, little guy. Cool. Nice job. Yeah, you got one.
I got one.
Oh, there you go. Yeah? Nice. I saw that bite.
Almost right here.
Keep going, keep going.
I feel it again. Guys,
Yeah, these guys.
2 fish. How many did you catch already?
2.
Both got 2.
All right.
Yay.
Oh,
This is like the other one, but a teeny bit bigger.
look at that guy.
Is it
Cool.
like, it's almost,
Ooh, here, show the camera.
guys, I got my second fish of the day. Look at this little guy. Well, I'm gonna try to hold it.
Did he catch it?
Nice one. That's a nice one. Ooh, another one. Ooh, number 3 for Luke, and it's a beautiful perch.
I got a
beautiful.
great one.
Like, you don't get how fun it is. I do not feel any cold.
Ooh, the big perch for Luke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got one. This is a little one. They're real little. Yeah. This is a little guy. These guys moved in. They're fun though on the red. They're fun. You want to release them for me?
Sure.
Luke, we're both catching. We got a couple setups now. All right. A little bit better one. I got a little better one. All right. That's a nice perch, beauty. On the red worm. We might have to switch you to the red. All right. A little red. Cool. There he goes. Oh. And deeper. Let's get you deeper, brother. Later, dude. Get him way out there. That's a bigger fish. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Eat that thing. It's shallow. It's a beautiful perch. That's a nice one, guys. The red. Right on the red one. Nice perch. Alright, guys. Hey, little dude. Well, little perch action. Smashed it too. All right, guys, so it's pretty good. My son and I both got a handful of those perch, some of those sandworms. We just had to put a little bit heavier weight on to get a little deeper out there. We're getting bit a little bit more, but it's always fun catching those guys and keep out of here for a little bit longer and see if we can catch maybe another croaker or something else besides these perch, but we're having fun. All right. Go play with them. Oh, I'm getting bit. Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
This might be a. Oh no, no. Oh, I lost him.
Look at the way he walks.
I got him. Oh, that's a good one. Let's go. That's a chunk.
Yeah! Fish.
Chunkosaurus.
That's a big one. Jeez.
Hold him to me. Hold him.
What if we feed him this? Should I?
Check out that perch, guys. That's a chunko. Alright. There's a nice one. Alright, guys.
Let me pet him.
It's a beauty.
Can I pet him?
Pull him real tight, though. Remember, real tight because he squirms hard. Alright, guys. Just fed him a little flea, sand flea. Fill him up. Thanks for biting. We hooked you up.
His tummy is big.
Alright, let's release him, guys. He's got a nice sand flea in there.
Are you sure he's not choking?
Nope. Yeah. There's a nice one. There's a nice fish. See if that's a perch or what it is. Love to catch a croaker. Ooh. Giving him some fight though, that's for sure. Beautiful perch. That might be my biggest one. That is a nice perch. Check him out. That's a nice one, guys. Big one. My biggest one. Alright, guys. That's my biggest one, that's for sure. It was a good little fight on this little guy. I got the 6-pound test on now too at downside to real light line. Get a bit more, definitely help. All right, dude, get back. We are on another nice perch. They're hitting it shallow today. Shallow, but let them drift these waves here. It's a nice one. Another cool one. Look at that beauty. It's a nice one. Loving that red worm. See that?